Look at that patina.
It's incredible the paint survived.
We need to document the corrosion levels immediately. Structural integrity is compromised at the chassis mount.
How does that look near the hub?
Almost clear. Just need to brush this last bit off.
The wood splintering is extensive on the driver's side.
And the leather is completely shot. We'll need detailed shots of the seat springs.
How are the tensioners looking?
Locked in tight. We are good to lift.
Connect the skates now. Cable secured, tension looks good. Clear the area, we're ready to pull.
Binders are set. Give it a final look.
Looks good, ready to roll.
We'll need to start with the wheel wells. The rust is extensive here.
Agreed. I've noted the trim corrosion on the diagnostic report.
All right, gentle pressure now. Don't want to snap the head.
Almost there. Okay, lift it slowly. We need a new tag for this one.
Check the perforation near the mounting point.
Reading 40 thousandths here.
The alignment here is completely warped. We're looking at significant metal work. The thickness gauge reads barely 20 thou right here. It's paper thin.
Just feather that edge a little more.
All right, I think that does it. It's perfectly smooth now.
We need to install the linkages before the housing goes on.
Agreed. The manual specifies that order for the magneto alignment.
This bundle goes here, following the original path.
Yes, make sure the clamp is secure at station 4.
The finish on this dark red trim is absolutely flawless.
It truly captures the original elegance of the 1903 model.
Easy now, easy. Right there.
Should we adjust the front mount?
No, that looks perfect. Let it down slowly. According to the diagram, this harness goes right over the oiler. All right, let's secure it there before we connect the battery. Masking looks good, sir. Ready for the booth. Excellent work. Double check the ventilation before we start.